Okay, honey.
Yeah.
We embarked. We ate. We found our room. We got about an hour before the muster drill.
Right.
Safety drill. Let's just enjoy being on a cruise ship.
Yeah.
Yeah. Honey, the ship keeps going. We haven't been back here yet. Holy crap, there's more to the ship.
There's a lot.
This is like the activity center of the ship. The putt-putt, the zip line, the basketball courts, all kind of stuff. And it keeps going. We're gonna head up these steps and check out some more cool stuff. Honey,
Yeah?
we made it to the back of the boat again.
We did.
And this time we at the top deck.
Yeah.
What a view.
So pretty.
Yes, and hey,
What?
you gonna do some flow riding?
Well, not right now. It's closed.
But eventually,
Yeah.
we need to try to learn how to surf.
You guys gonna watch me kill myself,
Yes, I cannot wait to attempt to kill myself riding some waves.
right?
Hey honey,
Yeah.
future reference. For muster drills, they turn the elevators off. Be on the level you need to be on before they do that. Holy cow.
Winded, but we're good.
We got this. We're almost there.
We are.
When they say they shut stuff down, they shut stuff down fast.
Yeah, they do.
We're like, that's it, we're done, see ya. Peace out.
Go now.
That's it, peace out, and you're done. Okay, we're gonna go to our spot in the Aqua Theater.
A very good afternoon, Oasis of the Seas. Let me hear if you're ready for your 7-day cruise vacation. Fantastic. Very happy to have you aboard with us on this very first week of March 2019 on one of the largest cruise ships in the world, before his dismissal. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, my name is Kimberly. I am your port and shopping guide from Channel 22. G1, I am your team leader. I look forward to seeing you all this week.
Carnival-
And of course, tomorrow morning,
Carnival cruise.
Import shopping show, 10:15 a.m. Studio B, Deck 4, our ice rink. Tons of prizes, tons of fun, free gifts, and all the information you need for our first two ports of call.
How small it is compared to ours.
It
It goes like halfway up ours.
Each and every one of you and shopping with you this cruise vacation. Thank you for your patience.
Honey, honey, are you back there?
No, I'm not.
Do you feel safer? Now that you went through the safety drill?
Sure.
Now, 6,000 people are all trying to get to the top deck to watch us float away. So we're taking the steps. Good thing it's only 9 stories that we gotta go up. Floors. Honey, we made it.
We did.
We almost died making it, but we made it. We are jamming up here. We got about 15 minutes till we sail away. It is windy as get up here. Hopefully my little windscreen's helping. We're going to watch us push away since there's no one to wave to. Hi cars! We'll watch us push away. When we're done watching us push away, we'll go watch us enter the ocean. So that's the plan here. While we were at the muster drill, that Carnival cruise sailed by and they're already out to sea. So yeah, we're going to race them. We're going to track them down and beat them out to sea. Probably not, because their ship's a lot smaller than ours. Pull that thing off. Holy windiness, I can barely hold this thing still. Poor guy's got to do all that himself.
Yeah, he does.
Jeez. They all done.
They are.
Honey, we be floating.
We floating.
And you be super big. Woo!
Aw, that's me.
Oh, you're so pretty with your hair blowing in the wind. Aww.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your cruise director Mike speaking, and welcome aboard the beautiful Oasis of the Seas. And of course, coming up shortly, we have our sail away party. This is taking place on the upper decks, of course, outside as we say farewell to beautiful Port Canaveral.
They starting everything up. Honey, we moving.
I don't like it. Oh, look. Oh, cool.
We moving. Look at us go. We're more like we're pivoting.
Oh, wow. We're even over here.
We in the water now. We're off.
We're off. We're starting it.
Forward motion.
Wow, I can't believe it.
No turning back now.
We're on a cruise ship.
And we're gonna be on it for, well, at least 3 days, because we don't dock again until Tuesday.
Yeah, that's right.
So you're stuck now. And we're just gonna follow this second Royal Caribbean boat. So now there's one out there. Oh, sorry, there's Carnival Caribbean out there. There's Carnival Caribbean right there.
It's just hard.
I'm making things up as we go. That's so cool. Yay! We're going forward.
It is so windy. Oh my gosh, we're moving and I can feel it.
Forward motion.
We're doing it.
Forward motion. Yay. We'll check back here in a minute. Honey, welcome to the sun deck.
It probably took us forever to find.
The furthest point forward on a ship we could go without being on a private tour.
Yes.
This is the solarium, the 16 and over section, and we're going to watch ourselves go out to sea as soon as we find a spot to get in here. We are cruising. I wonder what's over here. Oh, public boats, stuff like that. Okay, I'll get back with you guys in a minute. Look how small that guy is compared to us.
Yeah, we're over there.
And this is the watch party over here. Everyone else gets together and watches you. So long, everybody. Bye-bye, Florida. And bye-bye, Cocoa Beach. Bye-bye, United States.
I've got a ways to go.
This is our view from now on. Open water. Well, and those two ships until they go their own ways.
Right.
Well, we made it back to our room, and that is Florida in the background just going away. And we have the sun up here, and we have the Carnival ship off to our side. We're kind of going parallel to it. This is beautiful. I can't wait to set some time lapses up out here, get some sunsets. We do have our luggage now. The luggage came, so we're going to work on unpacking a little bit, and then we're going to do a little bit of shopping and then go from there. Honey, behind that cloud is an awesome sunset.
Yeah.
Hopefully, fingers crossed, this time we'll be able to capture it. Because
Did you do it right?
we know how the fish tank one went. But we really got to get going to buy our lanyards and get your rings cleaned and stuff, and then probably think about dinner soon. Because it's already 6, dinner's at 7:45.
Oh yeah.
So,
Wow.
yeah, we got things to do. So let's get going.
All right.